can't believe it. We got another package from ZURU. I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's get opening. So we got a lot of slimes and putties. So this one is called Oosh Putty. So you can tear it, stamp it, bounce it, and stretch it. And we got liquid glass. So we got liquid glass. Then we got fun foam. And we got the glow. So we got glow green. Then we got slime magic mix. So we think that we got neon rainbow. We'll have to check it out and just see. So now let's get opening. Okay guys, first we're gonna open the fun foam. So push that off to the side. Oops. Let's play with it. This is so cool. It makes crunchy sound. On to the next one. Let's do the liquid glass putty. And we're gonna try the things on the back so you can tear it, stamp it, bounce it, or stretch it. Okay guys, so this is the one we got. Has these little gold stars in it. So now let's try the things that you can do with it. Okay guys, we got the tear it putty, but we're gonna try to bounce it. So let's roll it into a ball. Kind of gonna form it. Here's my ball. Now let's try bouncing it. Okay guys, this one works really good, so now let's open that big giant next one. Okay guys, now we're gonna open our last slime, and this one is called Magic Mix. It's pink and orange. I really like these colors, so let's get opening it. Guys, look at this stuff. It looks so liquidy. It's really metallic-y. Should we dump it on our table? Let's do it. Oh no. Whoa. Okay guys, this is really so. Wait guys, watch this, right? Let's lay it out. Okay guys, now let's dump the orange one out. Let's dump the orange one right on it. My hands are slippery. So guys, instead of dividing these, we're gonna mix them. Guys, this isn't even sticky. Whoa, guys, look, you can see like orange and pink. Okay guys, we're gonna try to blow a bubble and see if it works. So take straw. Now let's stick it in. Now blow. Let me try it again. I got an actual bubble there that time though. Okay, guys. Right now, I'm loving this. It's so awesome. And that is the biggest bubble out of all the slimes we've had of blowing up bubbles. That's the biggest bubble we have ever blown up. So cool. And this slime is so cool. And the color, it's like a coral color. So thank you to ZURU for sending us this. We can't wait to get some more of this. And then if you guys can find it, you guys definitely need to try it out. It's awesome. So hit that notification bell if you haven't already to see new videos when they're posted. Give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button.